Hello guys, welcome. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful hair scrunchie. Beautiful, right? So let's jump right into it. Okay, welcome. So what we're going to need for this project is we're going to need a fabric glue. I'm using B6000, this iron piece for the headband, two-piece fabric. This is one and this is two. We're going to use this to wrap around the iron. When we get to that stage, you'll see it. So this is measuring length 13.5 by 1.5 inch, while this very big one is measuring breadth 4 inches by 37 inches in length. 4 by 37 in length. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this very big piece to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew along the edge with 0.5 inch all the way down. So I'm going to do that and I'll come back and show you what next to do. Okay guys, I have sewn the very long piece and I turned it to the front. So this is it. So moving on, the smaller piece that I cut, I'm going to use it to wrap around the iron structure for our headband. So this is what I do. Just watch. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to use it to wrap around the iron piece all the way to the top. And while I wrap, I'm going to be putting glue to make sure it is holding firmly. Just going to wrap this. So this is what you're going to do. So you get to the midpoint as you get to like this point. Is wrapped tightly so it holds firm. So guys, I just want to show you when you get to the part where your fabric is finished, please put your glue and then wrap with the remaining fabric you have. This glue now is going to hold this last part together, so it doesn't come out. So it's just going to hold it firmly. So hold it down until it sticks together. Okay guys, so aside from using the glue to hold it down, I cut a piece of thread, and I'm still going to use this thread to wrap. See where I'm wrapping from? To wrap it, just to hold it so that it will be firm and it won't loosen. So I'm going to use this thread to wrap top parts. So it holds and it stays firm. This way I can guarantee you that this way you're going to use this hairband for a very long time, because you've used glue to hold it at the bottom and the top, and now you're securing it very well with your thread. So make a knot and tie it very well. Tie it very, very well. So we're going to repeat the same process for the other side. Tie a thread around this other part. Okay, we are back. So this is what we wrapped, and this is the piece. So we're just going to put this inside of this. Now watch closely, please. I'm going to be leaving three and a half inches open to this part. Now I'm going to fold it in, and then I'm going to use my glue to hold it down. I said 3.5 inches. You can use 3.5 inches, or you can use 3. Okay, better still, let's use 3. So I'm leaving 3 open. So I'm going to use my fabric glue to hold this part. hold it down completely. Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. Don't let it go until you can feel it that it's sticking together now, it's holding. So what we did here now, we're going to repeat the same process on this other side. So I'll do that and come and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is the finished product. This is it. Is this not beautiful? Of course it is, and very easy to make. So you can make as many as you like, put it up for sale, and you're going to make money. Easy, right? Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stick around. Have a nice time. Bye.